In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix copyright claim on TikTok. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have received a copyright claim on one of your TikTok videos and now you want to remove it, then what you have to do is to open the TikTok application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings and privacy. Then scroll down and click on report a problem. Tap on account and profile. Click on profile page, then scroll down and click on other. Once again scroll down and click on this need more help option. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you think that the copyright claim should be removed from your video. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours copyright claim will be removed from your video. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.